Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 24, 2022, diagonal Sudoku. Column F and 6th row. In this diagonal we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, we have 4. Column E also we have 4. Column C also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, column B we have 4. 6th row and 7th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 10th row, we have 4. In this diagonal, we have 4. Column J also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 4. 4th row, 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 3rd row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row and 8th row, we have 1. In this diagonal also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 1st grade. On 6th row we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and column I. In this diagonal we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Two will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 1st grade also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column F, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. In this diagonal, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 5, 9 and 8. The 3 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9, 8. 6th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, in this diagonal, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 9th grade, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In this diagonal, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come. 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. And then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.